Hi.
Emerson, say hi to Grandma.
That's a good hi.
Okay, now we're gonna show Grandma how you stand up.
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
How you stand?
Yeah, we're standing.
Get her proud face.
Come on,
Oops.
stand up.
There you go.
Come on. There you go. You're standing. Not quite.
You're making her stand. She needs to do it on her own. It's cuter. Good girl.
She's fascinated by the camera. That's a good thing.
She knows when she's being recorded.
Hi, baby. Say something.
Show Grandma what you've been up to in the last week. Standing.
Booger on her nose.
1, 2, 3, stand. Oh, she doesn't want to do it right now.
She's blowing bubbles.
Nice smile. No, you're a superstar. What else are you going to do for the camera? Emerson.
Woo! Gonna show Grandma how tall you are now. Come on. Yeah, see how tall we are? See how tall we are? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Sorry, my belly's too soft for you to stand on. Oh, yeah.
Use her look in her eye like, I'm standing.
She's doing
there
it.
She is.
She's doing it.
On her own.
Whoa. She's shaking now because she's trying so hard.
Good girl.
Whoopsie. Whoops. Blowing bubbles again.
Emerson, what do you want to tell your fans out there?
She's hungry.
No, it's not she's hungry. What else do you want to tell your
hungry.
fans? Emerson. Oh, now she's mad.
She's hungry.
Hey, there's look at her eye. She's standing. Hey. You're getting so big. She's really looking. She's totally showing off for the camera. It's all about her and the camera.
Save it, because the battery's gonna die.
Okay.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma. We love you and we miss you.
Look. Bye, Grandma.
Bye.